Welcome back into Live Impact News on WCNC Plus. Time right now is 11:41 p.m. on a Saturday night. We are keeping you covered with this Live Impact weather and staying weather alert. Want to check now with Union County and Monroe. Our Myles Harris holding it down, staying chill. You're so cool, literally. And you got all the tools and, things to keep you as warm as you can, I suppose, Myles.
Oh, I got my hand warmers, Jane. Don't you worry, and they're waiting in the car for me right now. But let's talk about some of the impacts that we are already kind of seeing, or at least feeling, when it comes to the winter weather that we've been talking about really all week. So out here in Monroe, as you can see my breath here, obviously the temperatures have been dropping here hour by hour as we've been out here. But it's also very windy out here. It's very dry. It's not raining at the time, but we've been showing you throughout the evening just how windy it is outside. If you look just across the street, it's a dealership, but pay close attention to the flags on the other side of the street over there. You see how those are waving around here? That's just showing you how windy it is and how it feels even colder than even maybe the temperatures are showing. If you're looking on your phone, maybe you're looking at the monitor on your TV right now as well. And it's not just the wind that we're talking about here. Move forward here, take a closer look. Look at the road conditions right now. Again, it rained around 9, 10 o'clock this evening. It's not raining right now, but you can really start to kind of see just how glossy the roads are. And we are starting to kind of still see a couple of cars making their way across the roadways here, but curious to see exactly what impacts it'll look like here overnight, as we might see more of that precipitation that we have been able to see earlier on in today. And it's not just the roadways here. Take a look here, Jane, like you mentioned it here. We do have some tools looking and seeing just how quick this rain that we saw here is freezing and really turning into ice. So right in front of me here, it's a box. It's a hot box, but just take a listen here. You can see that gloss, but listen to me as I try to scrape through this as well. So that's probably very similar to how it might look or feel on the roadways here, and some of the conditions that we might start to see overnight and into tomorrow and even in the days after that as well. Now when it comes to Union County, they have made a couple of adjustments as well. They have opened up their Monroe Middle School as a shelter. They have partnered with the American Red Cross and trying to make sure they have a warm, safe place for people that may not have electricity, that may not have a place or a roof over their head to kind of stay warm or be kind of deal and brace for these very cold temperatures. And they do remind people two things to keep in mind. If you are going to go to the Monroe Middle School as that shelter that they have provided for people in this community, bring blankets, bring food, bring anything that you can, and also brace to be there for multiple days. We're really not sure what the impacts could look like, not just tonight, not just tomorrow, but really all throughout the week into next week as well, as we try to keep track of the conditions when it comes to this winter weather, this ice storm that we're kind of keeping a close eye on right now. But Jane, I can just tell you right now, it is very, very cold out here.
Myles, you are a stud for hanging out late, bringing us the latest there out of Union County. Appreciate you. Thaw out now. You've been cleared. Thank you so much. I cleared you. All right, let everybody know. All right, Myles, take it easy.